So, ladies, do you know what an alpaca is?
No. Not really, but they're like miniature camels, except way cuter and they don't have the humps.
And what do you think?
And they don't spit. Same thing.
Yeah. They do not spit, which is kind of cool. Because they only spit
except on the males.
Yeah, except on the males. That's right. All right. Let's walk along and so go see some alpaca. This is the alpaca.
Don't spit on me.
Just let them touch you first.